Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have here Josh and April. Say hi. These guys are from Australia.
That's why it's cold for us. It's so cold because it's not this cold in Australia.
Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna get our Starbucks right there. Hey guys, this is what we got from Starbucks. See? There you go. Yeah, because I told them we went to Starbucks. Hi, Josh. He's shy. Yeah.
More. His tongue is so soft, babe. Do you want to try it? His tongue is so soft.
A stickle, huh?
No, it's so cute. Same as a puppuccino.
Yeah, that's what they put anyway, the whipped cream.
What time are we leaving here tomorrow morning?
We have to leave here before 9.
Yeah. So get ready. So leave by like 4:45.
I'm gonna be...
4:45. Yeah. I will actually.
Maybe we should leave at 8:30. This. Some cookies.
Wow, how many do I have left? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 16,
I didn't comb my hair.
20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36.
Okay, this is the cookie that April made. It's really yummy. It looks really good. They're all identical. Did you see that? Yum. What do you call this, April?
Brown butter, toffee, chocolate chip cookies.
Again?
Brown butter, toffee, chocolate chip cookies.
Oh, that sounds good. It's really good.
Yummy.
Yeah.
Back there.
She's back on baking. And can I open it? There. I'm gonna show you what's inside the oven. Ooh, there's only 5. There you go. And of course, without my peanut, my video is not complete. Peanut! Peanut! Look, mommy! Peanut! Come on! Look! There! Peanut! There you go. There is Peanut! Peanut! These are the cookies that we ordered for the engagement party. As you can see, there's some rings, engage, and yeah, we're preparing for tomorrow's engagement party. It's very good cookies. It's called sugar cookies. I took one for myself. I kept it so we don't have to bring it there, because I know everybody will love this, so I took mine already. That's the cookies, butter.
Oh, sugar cookies.
Oh, sugar cookie.
Yeah. These are
sugar
the sugar
cookies.
cookies. Otherwise, it will be too soft. So the sugar cookie needs to be firm.
Oh, that's really good.
Yeah, these are really nice.
You should keep one.
You want one?
Yeah, I'm gonna
Do you
keep
want this
one.
one? Do you want me to bag it for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah, I want one. The ring. Yeah, that's right. No, don't put it in there.
No?
It's mine.
Do you want me to close it though?
Yeah, close it. Oi! That's too big! Oh my god!
Are you gonna pop it? Or does it? Oh, okay.
Oh my goodness.
Is that why you're just taking the piss? Just blowing it?
Josh, that's enough! It goes on your face! Oh my god, happens to me today!
It's gonna pop on you. Here you go.
Oh, thank you. I'm gonna keep this already. Yeah, don't put it in there.
You can keep it there for now. Just don't forget about it.
That's why I'm taking a video. Look what April's doing. He's putting it in a plastic bag. Hello, look here.
Hello.
Look here, look.
Why?
One, two, three.
I can't focus.
It's really, really good. It's very good.
I'm glad you like them.
And even Arjun was like, whoa.
Oh, did you try them?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yay, I'm glad.
Yeah, it's bomb. He said, what's that mean? It's really good, he said.
Yeah, that's good. I can't wait for Junley to try them because he's the chef.
Yeah, he
So
knows
he
how.
can critique it.
What's missing and what's not.
Or if
His
the
taste
flavors
buds
are
is
there.
good. Yeah, he
Yeah.
always does that.
Good. I'm glad. I want him to try it. Tell him to get one when he comes home. He's gonna be so tired tomorrow. Because he would have got home at like 1 or like got home at like 2.
That's so cute. She did a good job, whoever
She
did
did.
that.
She
Yeah,
did such a good job. I can't
that's
do these
amazing.
cookies.
It's amazing.
Yeah, the detail is so nice. She's very talented.
Yep. Use a lot of. What's that? Ay, nako, it's too big!
Life is made real because you experience it. Love. Dude, you can't use that last one.
It's too messy. Okay, this is my cassava cake. It's a little bit burned. I put cheese on top, but I have to put some condensed milk so it looks good. This is my cassava. I almost burned it. It looks good. We are going to bring this to the event tomorrow. So we have this. Hey, see, that's even better. I told you, use that one that I gave you. Because you just insert it. That one. Ay, nako.
Full of keys.
There. Oh. Same thing? No, there's some air coming out. That's why. Everything is white. All her decorations, mostly they're white. And everybody's wearing white at the engagement party. Anything white or neutral. That's what she wants for her engagement party.
Sige. Do it again.
I can't find her stream. Mm-hmm.
How many more? Come here. Roll. Say I love you. Say I love you. Can you say I love you? Say I love you. 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 Say it again. Say I love you. Get up. Say it. Say I love you. 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 Say it again. Say I love you. Good night. Say it. Say I love you. 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 I love you.
If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I uploaded video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.